Hi guys, here's a trade that I missed. This is another example of a shut auction. Right here you can see just up here where the auction's been shut, and we had selling response where they've closed off the auction with a selling response, the imbalance, selling imbalance. We had a sequential decline to confirm our direction, and our entry would have been somewhere around here. A more conservative entry would have been round about where the cot is on this candle here. So we were in for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know, it stretched to as far as 8 ticks, and that's sort of your target. Because why do you know that's your target? Because if you look to your left, you can see they shut the auction previously. To your left, can you see there's a shut auction there, and the auction right as we speak is still closed. Can you see that? So we've got a range here that's been shut down right across this line here at 34.60. You see, right there. And then above us there we have a shut auction in these two candles here. They shut at the same price, 34.71. So, and then a sequential decline, which gives us our direction. So we take the trade. We enter here, or anywhere in this candle, we can enter this trade with our stop 1 tick behind the shut auction. So once they get through the door, you'll know you're wrong. So you want your stop 1 tick behind the door. Yeah. And you can play this thing out until you get down here. Your first target is shut, where they shut the door down here. And if you want to play for an extension of this move, you can play somewhere around about 2 ticks above the demand area here. But certainly you can get 7 or 8 ticks out of this trade. We'll just watch this video and let it play out for a bit, just to see if this thing's going to come back up or if it's going to go down to an extended target. And don't forget, we've come, if you look up here, this is our value area low, right up here where on the edge of the orange color of the volume here, the volume profile, and where we've got the blue, that's all an extended range of the low. So we've got quite an extension in the profile of the value area low. So expecting it to continue even further would be possibly asking for too much, but we don't know, because this market could just be on a down run for the day, or at least for this session. But what we do know, there's some consolidation in this area, and the market is going to make a decision as to what it wants to do. So we could expect a rotational play, where the market will come somewhere down here, rotate back up, and possibly rotate one more time if it's going to come right through, or it may just come up and just go back up again. We don't know what it wants to do, but we do know that it's in an extended move already for the day. So expectancy really is somewhere around here, towards this blue section here. This blue zone is a buy zone, and we expect to move down to it, which is just happening now. You can see the buyers tried to go up, and they gave up with a sequential decline. And yes, we've hit our target. There you go. So that was an excellent move from the shut auction there, showing us how we can get down to our target. And yeah, that's a lovely trade.